Hey tribe, I just wanted to do a really quick intro to this video. I filmed it a long time ago, kind of forgot about it. So I am throwing it in the queue for you guys. This is our family's favorite turkey nugget recipe. And so I'm gonna voice over me making the turkey nuggets, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it at home as another meat-based meal, especially if you have young kids. You can use ground chicken for this as well. We just use ground turkey. I season them exactly the way I season my burgers at home. And so I am very generous with the seasonings, and they're more kind of like mini sliders or mini patties. I have used the same recipe, coated it in pork panko, and made turkey burgers, but I find that they're just too soft in the center and they just crumble everywhere. So by making them in this smaller fashion, they're more like silver dollar pancake nuggets, but they heat up really easily. When you make a big batch, they taste very good if you're going to use it for dipping, or if you're going to melt cheese on top, or if you're not carnivore or keto and you can make them a little thicker and put them on like little mini buns like Hawaiian rolls, you can do that too. So I hope you guys like the video, get another tasty treat to make in your home, and it's great for kids and picky eaters, and just it's good all around. So I hope you enjoy this, and give the video a thumbs up if you found value, you guys, okay? We'll see you in the next one.
All right, so I have a pound of turkey meat here, and I like to use a generous amount of garlic powder, black pepper, lots of salt. Make sure it's high quality salt. We use Redmond's, and granulated onion powder. And so here I am, just being very generous with the salt. I like to use a lot of garlic, a decent amount of onion. And then if your kids are really sensitive to pepper because they think it's really spicy, obviously don't use too much. But this is, 1 pound of ground turkey, and turkey really doesn't have that much flavor. So I am very generous with my spices. Then I like to crack an egg into it, and I prefer Munster cheese. You can omit the cheese if you are cheese sensitive, but I feel that cheese makes everything better. So I like to ground a generous amount of cheese, Munster cheese to be more specific. You can use any cheese that you like. And then I squish it all together with my hands. And then next up we have our pork panko. I will take a ball, about a meatball size of meat, roll it into my hands. You can also use like a meatball scooper, so they're very accurate. I like to drop them into the pork panko, coat it really, really well, and I prefer to cook them on parchment paper and not aluminum foil. I tend to burn things on aluminum foil, and so I like to use parchment paper, and then I gently just press them down into the paper. And they look like this on the pan. Again, if you make them smaller or you make them larger, it all depends how much you're going to fit on a pan. It's completely up to you. I like to set my oven to 400 degrees. You can put them on air fry. My oven's an air fryer, or you can just do regular bake. They do come out a lot darker because turkey is a darker meat than chicken. So my kids are really particular. My one daughter really loves shredded Parmesan cheese, and I have to sample it. We like to put some shredded Parmesan cheese on top. We'll pop it back in the oven and melt it down. But they are soft and tender and a little bit crispy on the outside. My one child loves white American cheese on theirs, and then my other one just likes them plain. I hope you found value in this video, you guys. Good luck.